world we live in today was created by people. The teams we build, people. Coming together toward a common goal. The places we work, people. Adding value in the world where we need it. With that, the most important quality of any effort, commercial or otherwise, people. That's why, for Rock Solid, it's not what we build, it's who. Yes, we design and build vanities for people to feel at home in their homes, but our reason for getting to work every day is to bring out the best in people.
If I were to describe my coworkers in one word, I'd say supportive.
Rock solid, honestly. Well, that's too awesome, amazing, I could go on.
Helpful, happy, cooperative.
I like the enthusiasm that comes from everyone.
It's not what we build, it's who. It's why we identify and nurture the unique abilities of each member of our team. It's why we make sure our people are doing the jobs only they can do best.
Unique ability is about finding where your true passions are, and it's about getting lost in your work.
It tells you what energizes you, what you like, and what you're naturally good at, and I think that that's really special.
It's why we commit to excellence, to always getting better, and to being the kind of leaders that support the success of others.
Commitment to excellence to me is a pursuit of personal and professional growth.
It means to me doing my best in everything that I do here. And it matters because if we do that, then our customers get treated the way they should be. They get the best service possible, the best product possible. So it makes me feel good. It makes me feel like I've done my job.
Whenever I see a team struggling, I go up to my leader and I'm like, hey, I'm available at this time. I can jump in anytime you want.
It's why we see our team as a community that reaches beyond our four walls to our retail partners, designers, homeowners, and more. It's why we invest in creating opportunity for our community, one person at a time, one experience at a time, one vanity at a time.
The goal is every employee has to leave here going, I had a good day and this is why. Or I had a challenging day, this is why. But at least I learned something. And I would say that that has made a huge difference with what we're doing here.
It's why we commit to delivering happiness.
Delivering happiness to me means being able to help a customer no matter what the situation is. My favorite thing about working at Rock Solid is the ability to be able to make decisions right there and then about what's best for them. They're not just ordering a bathroom vanity, they're ordering an experience.
People, delivering extraordinary impact in every bathroom.
I'm most proud of the team that we have built.
At the end of the day, everybody deserves the right to feel successful.
At Rock Solid, we're about being the very best at what we do and making sure that everybody who works here has an opportunity to grow in a direction that they see fit for their future.
What does it mean to be rock solid? It's not what we build, it's who.
I'm Adam, and I'm Rock Solid.
I'm Addy, and I'm Rock Solid.
I'm Gina, and I'm Rock Solid.
I'm Keon, and I'm Rock Solid.
I'm Owen, and I'm Rock Solid.
I'm Diane, and I'm Rock Solid.
I'm Kathleen, and I'm Rock Solid.
I'm Paul, and I'm Rock Solid.
I am Leanne, and I am rock solid.
We're rock solid!